Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Temu. We go here to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about Temu app and we click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.